Team owners and users can add columns to existing inventories. The first thing you will have to do is to navigate inside the inventory you wish to modify. After, you will navigate to the Manage Columns icon, add column, name the column, and then you will select the column type. You can choose between many column types, and you can have as many text type columns, number, file columns as you wish. The drop-down column, checklist, status, date and time, date, time, can also be used as many times as you need to, like the text, number, and file. You can only have one stock column per inventory. If you would like to know more about what the stock column can do for you, just message us. In this video's description, you will find the link to the video where we explain each column type and relevant use cases.